Hello guys. So the CAT result just came out yesterday, and I've been getting a lot of calls from so many students who are worried कि sir result इतना आया. There are a few who have scored very well. There are a few who have not scored very well. But regardless, they are all worried कि sir अब क्या? They already know that they are taking other exams also. But the fact that a CAT result has come out, and regardless of the fact that it is success, it's a success or not a success. Everybody is worried. The people who are not successful, they are worried about कि अरे यार अब क्या होगा सीईटी में, या फिर अब दूसरी एग्जाम में क्या करेंगे, अब एडमिशन का क्या करेंगे. And the people who have scored very well, even they are worried because अरे इतना परसेंटाइल आ गया, अब आगे क्या करना है. See, first of all guys, everybody needs to understand वो परसेंटाइल का अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. For now, at least till there are other exams which are going on, you have to just lay low. Even the people with very good percentiles, you have to lay low for some time. Just chill and try for other colleges that you can see. Understand, I know people who have scored a 99 percentile and still haven't gotten to their dream colleges, like 99 percentile in CAT. And I know people who have scored just like a 92 93 percentile and still they have completed their education from IIM Ahmedabad and Bangalore and Calcutta, all three colleges. So understand this, that just a percentile will not change your life. And just the fact that you have not got a good percentile does not stop your life. You have other options, you have other colleges that you can go to, which accept other colleges, which accept other scores of other exams. So understand this, life does not end here. You have a lot that can go ahead. Now understand this. अब अगर तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आ गया है, there is nothing that you can change about it. But what you can do now is prepare for the future. And for that, understand this, कि अभी तुम्हारे पास और एग्जाम्स है like ZAT which is coming just now. Then you have MyCat. If at all you want to go for marketing as an MBA specialization, MyCat is a great college that you can go to. Then MyCat है तुम्हारे हाथ में. Also a few people who have other colleges which in mind they can take the NMAT. They can, and most importantly, you have MAT, ATMA, and CET. All three exams which can get you to a college like JBIMS, which is, well, if not at par, nothing less than IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, or a Calcutta. I highly believe that JBIMS is a dream college for many people. So please understand, do not lose hope. And trust me, it does not matter. It is not necessary कि जिन लोगों को CAT में बहुत अच्छा percentile आता है उनको ही आता है. I'll give you my example. In my two CAT attempts that I've taken, my percentiles have been 77.26 and 95.5 percentile. And I know people जिनको बहुत कम percentiles आए फिर भी उन्होंने CET में बहुत अच्छे से ace किया है. So that is why it's not necessary that you have to score, that success in one exam means the success in all other exams. Understand this. CAT and CET both are very different exams. Both the exams require different things from you and they require you to work in a different way. So दोनों का अगर देखो, अगर दोनों फंडामेंटली अलग अलग एग्जाम्स है, so that means कि इसमें सक्सेस एंड इसमें सक्सेस दोनों रिलेटेड नहीं है. द ओनली थिंग कॉमन इज दोनों का पोर्शन थोड़ा बहुत सेम है. बट दैट डज नॉट मीन कि कैट हो गया तो अब कैट में खराब आया तो सीईटी अच्छा नहीं जाएगा. नहीं, यू कैन स्कोर वेरी वेल इन सीईटी इवन नाउ. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, डू नॉट लूज होप. what you can do is take 1 2 days off, थोड़ा दिन chill मारो. It's fine if your mood is off, but what you cannot afford is to lay back for a long time. It is just like maybe losing a race. Like समझो अगर even if a runner like Usain Bolt, who is known as the fastest runner in the world, he loses one race, that does not mean वो अगले दिन ट्रेनिंग नहीं करेगा. मैक्सिमम अगर वो ही इज वेरी सैड अबाउट इट, अगर वो ओलंपिक में कुछ हार गया, ही विल ले लो फॉर वन डे, बट तीसरे दिन से वो वापस चालू हो जाएगा. ही अगेन गो इन द मॉर्निंग फॉर हिज यूजुअल रन. यू कांट अफोर्ड टू लूज आउट ऑन डेज, बिकॉज क्या होगा, अगर कैट के पीछे तुमने अपना मूड बिगाड़ के कुछ पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, यू विल ऑल्सो लूज आउट ऑन अदर एग्जाम्स. पूरा साल वेस्ट जाएगा. बट वी कांट अफोर्ड दैट, राइट? सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज दैट we need to start working from day 2. It's fine if you lay low for one day. आज का दिन chill मार लो, it's okay. And trust me, there are people who start even right now and score very well in the CET. They have gone to JBIMS, which is known as the best college through CET. Okay? So I have some things in mind. See, understand this. CET में score करना is not something that only gods do. We are very, very much people just like you who have scored well. Me and other friends who have scored very well. We are very much people just like you. बस थोड़ा सोचने का तरीका अलग था, बस थोड़ा प्रिपरेशन का तरीका अलग था. So if you want to do it, you can really do it too. So make sure that you don't demotivate yourself and make sure that you're motivating yourself each and every second. तो ही हो सकेगा, because motivation is what makes you work. Okay? So I have a few things which I really will need from you if you seriously want to get into JBIMS, if you seriously want to become a CET 99.99 percentile or anything, whatever dream college that you want to go to, or what your dream percentile is, I need a few things from you. I've made it in form of a simple timeline. Yeah, let's go. So first of all, understand this. Your first step that is going to be is you have to get over it. Okay, just a minute. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. So what you need to understand is the first step is getting over it. See it, a cat success or a cat unsuccess does not matter. क्योंकि अभी के लिए वो स्कोर का तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकने वाले. That it will just stay. That will just stay in your mind. That will just stay like a paper. Regardless of if it is a good result or a bad result, make sure that you have it with you. Make sure that you remember it. फोन में सेव करके रखो. Keep it wherever, but keep it close, because that means कि तुमने मेहनत किया उस स्कोर पे. It doesn't matter कि क्या आया है result, but you have worked for it, and the fact that you have scored any percentile means you are not at a zero. You are starting from somewhere. अब समझो, अगर तुम्हें 100 माले की बिल्डिंग चढ़नी है तो तुम जीरो से चालू करोगे या फिर तुम्हें 60 फ्लोर से चालू करना पसंद आएगा? 68 floors, right? Because you have to climb less. It's the same logic here. You are not starting from a zero. You are starting from one platform. And make sure that you understand कि वो platform पे मैं हूँ already. So you have to just work ahead. Okay? So get over your success or your unsuccess in CAT and start looking ahead. The second thing is, you need to now understand what your goals are. If you want to score well in your ZAT, or if you want to score well in your CET, or if you want to score well in your MyCat or MAT, ATMA, whatever exams are left, you have to set your goal in your mind. You have to understand कि अरे ये जगह मुझे पहुंचना है. Because if you don't know where you want to reach, then there's no way you're going to reach there. Otherwise, you're just running like a blind bull in a big farm. There is no use. You will just end up wasting your energy, wasting your time, and wasting your precious days. So understand this. वो करने फायदा नहीं है. First, set a goal in your mind. First, understand कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में तुम्हें क्या करना है, and that a person that can help you is find a mentor. Now, see, there are many mentors who actually run classes. There are many mentors who do it for free on YouTube. You can find your mentor anywhere. But a good mentor will only be a person who will understand कि ये कैसे होता है. A good mentor is a person who has himself done it, gotten the good percentile, and knows, and he has previously trained people to do it also. See, knowing something is different and knowing how to teach something is different. Okay? So understand the difference and find a mentor who can teach you how to do it yourself, who can show you the way. Okay? And the next part, you need to find the right tools. Now understand this. You see, in the sentence that I've given below, I have specifically made the you word bold because your preparation is different from everybody else's. You must understand कि तुम्हारा preparation किसी और की preparation जैसा नहीं हो सकता. You need a personalized approach to it. तुम्हारा तरीका cannot be like the 500 other people who are studying in the same institute as you guys, or who are in your same college, or who are in the same classes. Your approach should be different. Your approach should be your approach and nobody else's approach. Okay? Tell your mentor, like find a mentor who will literally teach you कि कैसे तुम्हारे लिए एक approach बनाना है, who will listen to you first and then give his ideas. कोई भी सीधा ज्ञान देने वाला आदमी ना, he will never be able to help you out because he is only saying from what he knows. Okay? So make sure that you find someone who listens to you first and then gives you all the gyan in the world. Now, after you have the right tools, the proper way, the proper timetable, the proper schedule to follow, make sure that you start grinding. Start working like an absolute crazy person. Start working in a way that you know that you will be the topper. You will be the rank one in CET. You will be the person who will get to your dream college. Okay? Start working like this. And for that, you must understand that, see, I'm not saying that it is absolutely impossible. No, it's not. Take me for example, मेरा graduation percentage is 56%. That's absolutely hideous. Like कोई देख के खुश नहीं होता है 56%. But still I got into the dream college, right? I got into my dream college. I got my dream percentile. It's the only difference is how well do you work. You have to burn the midnight oil, the afternoon oil, the morning oil, every other oil that there is. You have to work. And quality over quantity. दिन में 10 घंटे डाल दो कुछ नहीं होगा अगर तुम प्रॉपरली पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, अगर तुम स्ट्रक्चर्ड पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे. तुम्हें डालने हैं दिन के लिटरली 5, 5.5, 6 घंटे, बट दोस शुड बी क्वालिटी आवर्स. ओके, दोस शुड बी अटमोस्ट क्वालिटी. उसमें तुम्हारा फोन बाजू में, दोस्तों से बात मत करो. हो सके तो अगर तुम्हारा रूम अकेले, तुम्हारा अपना रूम है या फिर तुम्हारे घर पे कोई और एक रूम है, देन रूम में जाके शांति से पढ़ाई करो. मेक श्योर कि आजू बाजू डिस्ट्रैक्शंस पे तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं जा रहा. स्टार्ट ग्राइंडिंग, स्टार्ट वर्किंग लाइक यू वांट टू बी अ जेबी स्टूडेंट. Start working like you want to be a topper. Okay. And now think like a topper. The only see, there are 1,10,000 people who are taking the CET. उसमें से सीरियस लेने वाले होंगे 10,000 जन, which still is a big number. If you compare कि JBIMS में कितने लोग जाते हैं या फिर टॉपर्स कितने होते हैं, if you even consider the top 300 people, मैं वो भी नहीं बोल रहा कि सिर्फ JB के गिनो, consider the top 300 people, 10,000 में से 300 is still a very 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 meager number. So understand this, if you want to be in those top 300, you have to think like a topper. You have to know कि तुम कहाँ हो. There is no use thinking कि अरे मुझे वहां पे पहुंचना है. First you need to understand कि मैं कहाँ हूँ. At every point in your preparation, you have to analyze where you are. You have to understand कि how far have you gotten in your goal. उस हिसाब से तुम्हारा preparation थोड़ा easy, थोड़ा difficult, थोड़ा tweak होना चाहिए. And this is what your mentor will help you out with. Contact your mentor, call them, and see, understand this. It's a mentor. That person is supposed to help you for each and everything. Find a person who is ready to help you with each and everything. Okay. And finally, once you have analyzed your preparation well, once you know that where you are working, once you know that where you have to reach, and finally you know how to pave the distance, like how to cover the distance between where you are and where you want to go, finally you will take the seat. And I'm pretty sure if you have done everything well, we will meet at JBIMS. Be excited to meet your peers. Trust me, because I know from personal experience, the people whom you meet at great colleges are really great people. You will meet such smart people, you will meet such good people. They will bring out the best in you. Be excited about that. And trust me, that will be the best thing that you will do for yourself in your whole life. Follow this plan, follow this timeline, follow this schedule, and make sure that you reach your goal. Okay. If you want anything else, just please drop a comment, and I'll make another video for it. A timeline, if you want a timetable, a timeline, a schedule, or if you want more tricks from me, then please make sure that you drop it down in the comment section. And please follow the channel so you can get more out of me. I'll keep posting videos. I'll keep helping out the students as much as I can. Okay. Bye guys.